Guys, as you can see, I went a little overboard with my Sephora shopping, but let's do a Sephora unboxing haul together.